Hello, it's Mike Kroger, Finale Inventory. In this quick video, we're going to show you how to update your Android device to the latest version of the Finale Inventory Barcode Scanner app. We are going to be releasing periodic updates, and sometimes you need to update to the latest version. Most of the time you would want to. There's different ways to do this, and it all is dependent upon how it was originally installed. So there's two basic methods for getting the Finale Barcode Scanner app to your device, and that's using the Google Play Store, where you just go onto Google Play Store, you find it, you download it. Or if you don't have the Google Play Store on the Android device, then you had to download it manually to that device and install it manually. If you do that, you have to update it the exact same way. So let's follow along and show you the two different methods. So I'm going to flip over here. I need to open up my Android scanner here. And I'm currently running a version of the Finale Android scanning app. Maybe I need to know what version I'm running. So let me teach you how to do that first. So you're going to go to the More. You'll see an About menu, and it'll tell you that you're running 12165. So if you see a release on our website or on our blog or Twitter feed, or you're checking around to see which the latest version, and you may not know, but let me show you how you can do it. If you go to barcode scanning here, and you would say download the Finale Barcode app here. So if you go to this inside your account, you would see, like right here, this one ends in 12167. So I definitely want to upgrade. So this particular scanner, I used the direct link, so I can't use Google Play to update this. So let me show you how. So now that we know that we need to get the new version, we would go ahead and get the new version. Now we have another video that shows you how to do that. So I'm just going to show you that I've already really done that in the background here. I'm going to go to my downloads, and you'll see that I have two different versions here. So the one that ends in 5 here, that's the one I'm running now, and I've already downloaded the next release. So to update, I don't need to uninstall it if I'm going forward. So if I'm upgrading, I don't need to remove the other version. I can just click on this new version, and it will ask me, do you want to install an update to the existing application? And I just say yes, please do that. So as I do, Android will just go ahead and allow this app to go forward, and it'll install over top of the other version. And then I can open this new version, and we'll see here how we're up to date. So I want to check, see if I'm on this latest version. So I can go down here to more, hit the About button, and we are running 12167, which is the latest release. So that's how you would do it using the manual method, or downloading it and then just installing over it. Now I also want to point out, if you attempted to install an older version, if you needed to go backwards, you can't do it over an existing version. So like right now, we have the latest version installed, so just be careful. If you want to go backwards, you see that it would think that you're going to be able to go backwards, but it won't let you go backwards. Now, if you want to go backwards, you can. You just need to uninstall the software to be able to go backwards. Then you can install whichever version you want. So that's how you do it from the manual way. Now let's talk about maybe the other way, if you have Google Play Store. So if you have Google Play Store, the way you would update the app is you would go to the Google Play Store, and from the Google Play Store you would use the update. So the easiest way to find that is just to click on the 3 horizontal bars here, and you would click My Apps and Games, and then if you had installed it via the Google Play Store, it would be listed here, and then you could hit Update, or it would actually tell you that there were updates available. That's how you would update if you're using the Google Play Store.